nonsense? What rubbish? How can the both of you fight in the class in the presence of your auntie? Two big adults behaving like puppies. I won't take this shit again. I will not.
Madam, head white. Sorry, mistress. Madam, I would listen to her. This issue. No. Oh, we are not talking. To him, I'm gonna come to Dalang. To her. I'm going to one on. To him, I'm going to get to high. I have one music in a school. I won't bang school. And to her, madam. This is why enter this school. Now what to hold they picking me. He pick me. He they pick me. He they pick me. He they pick him. What is it to her? Now he be the headmaster of problem for this school. Now he will not be me.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The caterpillar jump back to your mouth. My hembe will be the protector of your problem at this school. See, madam, no vessel. Everybody waiting for this village know me, so I know they find trouble.
Who pay?
But for the fact say when I carry this bathroom book to them in a class. She can't gather all the winches where their family. Come bring them into class. Which is some wizards, the purpose where you go kill. You know go see me. I take over Jesus for me the morning what What did he get mem? Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
You know what? See her? I'm not going to win to some wizard.
I hear one.
Mokibuga witches and wizard.
I hear one.
How witches and wizard. Makana, I want my witch not one winch.
God of mercy.
Wizard. You shake in my pocket. Only my hook the cancer Gianala.
How I be? See this one. How I be? Me and you who if we come out for beauty pageantry, who are they going to select? If we come out for Nigeria Movie Association, who are they going to take? After like me where you take they take mouth. Just thank your God say no carry bomb here. Mureze te tra bomb te tap and to be me ya what saga again one.
Okay.
Let it go. We be like blow where they blow. Why not organize where organize you? Where you can't do like blow like this. And they talk say you be like blow. They can't go buy canopy. You with canopy hotel with a hammer call go school. Give Colonel Hotel Koboma. Auntie Dorati. Where they forgot register you for CWO. My women leader. Give back to the water. Give young guy maybe a good school. You should push up push.
I want Pango school.
General problem.
I
will never school. Oh no, was Sunday or Wendy or Sunday or Wendy or Sunday or Wendy.
You had a walk.
Hey!
Madam, no verse.
My God. No! I won't take this again. I will not take this shit again from the both of you. You both are going to home to bring your parents. I will not tolerate it again. How can the both of you disrespect me in my own presence? It has gotten to... In fact, I am sending the both of you home. I won't tolerate it anymore.
It's in the vessel, madam.
Mama no imagine. I'm talking before Mama go bury alone. She go bury alone. One of their one that die. And you know say my man and woman that leader. That na thought her boss her boss and the carry her was also brand. So please forget my mama. Oh, anything we want to make settle and here. No go involve her. No be she find trouble. No be she fight too. I don't know what she dey come school can't do. Man at school. Our magaga would borrow quatray and wear him bend. Try and a school.
Should I get much money? Should I get more Ganya? Biati ho, okay. Madam, and only wasn't a mayano hair. Ya wono na, ega sako ye. No wo homu mere ihe. Asako lam, sako him.
Sako
him.
Ngani ime class mote ure by the ignition letter.
Olukwa wo ignition letter.
Stop nonsense.
Letter, retirement letter.
You shot at Tagala.